my name is Srinath Vishwanath and welcome to the part 1 of Internet Secret Series. So, today I'm going to show you how you can make money online by starting an internet business. So, if you stay towards the end of this video, you are going to discover my top 5 genuine business models with which you can start making money online. So, let's get started. 5 ways to make money online in 2020. I want you to understand the basic context to run an online business. And that is, firstly, we need to have a product or a service to sell, right? Then we need a website where we can list our products and services on the internet. Then we need to bring the traffic. Traffic in the sense people or visitors. We need to get visitors onto our website so that we can start making sales. So the basic context will be the same for any kind of internet business. So the 5 ways which I'm gonna share with you are real and practical ways, and I have been using this since from last 2 years and it works very well with. The first model I want to share with you is affiliate marketing. Many of you may already know this model, right? Basically, this is the easiest way to start an internet business because here the investment is very low. So the main process of this business will be, firstly we need to join some affiliate network like Amazon Associates, ClickBanks. Well, there are many other platforms available to join. Then we need to find some products. Okay, a product can be a digital product or a physical product, and there are millions of products available to choose from. After choosing few products, then we need to promote those products to a larger number of people, larger number of audiences. Well, I will be showing you how you can do that in my upcoming videos. But for now, we need to promote those products to a larger number of people so that we start getting sales. Okay. After getting sales, on each sale we will be earning a little bit of commission as profit. Okay. The commission rates will be dependent on the type of affiliate network you have joined. Okay. So this is the main process of this business. Okay. Well, I will be showing you how you can start an affiliate marketing business in detailing in my next video. I hope you understand this. So the second model I want to share with you is starting an e-commerce website. E-commerce websites are growing rapidly these days because people started to buy stuff on the internet. People started to buy products on the internet like never before. So there is a lot of potential hidden in this business for us. So let's first try to understand the basic process of this business. Okay. So the basic process of an e-commerce website will be, we will be buying products for lower cost and selling it on the internet for higher prices. Okay. So this is the basic process. Now, how to start and run an e-commerce website? Well, there are 3 steps to start and run this business. Step 1. Firstly, we need to get some products. We need to purchase some products for lower cost to sell. We can find products for lower cost from wholesale markets or from wholesale websites like AliExpress, Alibaba. Okay, well, there are many websites available. Then step 2. In step 2, we will be starting a website. Then we will be uploading our product images, product prices, product descriptions, and we will be listing our products onto our website. Okay. So after listing the products onto our website, then comes this step 3. So step 3 is all about driving traffic. We need to bring the visitors onto our website so that we can start making sales. Well, I will show you how to bring visitors to your website in my upcoming videos. So these are the 3 steps with which anyone can start and run an e-commerce website. I hope you understand this, right? I will show you how exactly you can start an e-commerce website in less than 10 minutes in my next video. So the next model I want to share with you is dropshipping. This is my favorite business model because I started my internet journey, my internet business with dropshipping. I sold hundreds of products using this model, so I know this works very well. Okay, so basically this is similar to starting an e-commerce website, but here the difference is we don't need to purchase the products before we start getting sales, and we don't need to maintain the stock of the products. Instead, we will be having a drop shipping partner who has the products that we are selling. Okay, here a drop shipping partner is nothing but a wholesale websites like AliExpress, eBay, where we can find the products to sell. So the basic process of this business will be, again, here we will be selling physical products, but when we start getting sales, here we no need to fulfill or we no need to pack and deliver the products to our customers by ourselves. Instead, we will be sending the order details to our dropshipping partner, and they will process the order and deliver the product directly to our customers for us. So this is the basic process of a dropshipping business. Okay, so now how to start and run a dropshipping business. So to start a dropshipping business, firstly we need to start a website. Then we will be importing products into our website from our dropshipper sites like AliExpress, eBay, etc. Let's consider AliExpress as our dropshipping partner here to get a better understanding. Okay. Then after importing products from AliExpress site to our website, then we need to edit the product page on our website, like changing product price, product descriptions. Okay. So here comes the important thing, product price. We will be changing the product price to 2x into 2x into 2 or into 3. We'll be doing the actual product cost. We will be changing the product price to 2x or 3x to the top of our actual product cost on AliExpress, so that we can have enough margin to market the product and to have profit. Okay, so after changing and listing our products onto our website, then we will be driving traffic onto our website. We will be sending people onto our website so that we can make sales, so that we can start making sales. So as I said earlier, after getting sales, now we will be ordering the product. We will be purchasing the product from our dropshipper site by entering our customer's delivery address. Okay, so then our dropshipper will deliver the product directly to our customer without mentioning any brand logos or any details that the product was delivered by the dropshipper site. Okay, so this is a process of starting and running a dropshipping business. I hope you understand this. In my next video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can do all these things. Okay, so now let's move to the next model. So the fourth model I want to share with you is drop servicing. Again, drop servicing is similar to drop shipping, but here instead of selling physical products, we will be selling digital services. However, we no need to have our own services, or we no need to do the service by ourselves, but we need to find the people who can do those services for us. So the basic process of this business will be, we will be selling services on our website for higher prices. Here the services are like logo designing, website designing, app development, copywriting. Well, there are many other services available, and there are hundreds of services available for us to sell. Okay, after getting a sale, we need to find a freelancer who can do the required service for low cost, and we will assign the service details to him. Then the freelancer will complete the work and give it back to us. We can find hundreds of freelancers on the sites like freelancer.com, elancer, Upwork, who can do the services for us for low cost. Okay, so how to start and run a drop servicing business. To start and run a drop servicing business, firstly we need to find and select a service to offer and to sell on our website, and also a freelancer who can do it for us for low cost. We can choose from hundreds of services available on freelancer sites. Okay, so after selecting a service, then we need to start a website and offer our service on our website to sell. After setting up our website with the required details on our of our service, then the important thing, we need to drive traffic onto our website, right? We need to market our services to the right people so that someone can visit our website and buy a service from us. Okay, so after getting a sale or after someone applied for our service, then we will be sending the required service details to our freelancer who will be doing the service for us in low cost and handing it back to us after completion. Then after completion of the service, we will be handing it back to our customer. So this is the main process of this business. Again, the profitability of this business lies in the difference of price. We will be selling our services for higher prices than to that of our actual cost that our freelancers charging to us. Okay, so I hope you understand this. So now let's move to the next and last business model. So the fifth and last model I want to share with you is starting a digital marketing agency. Digital marketing is nothing but marketing or advertising on the internet. Okay, so the basic process of running a digital marketing agency is, we will be marketing the products and services of other people who want to sell their products on the internet, and also who want to run their businesses on the internet. And we will be charging a fee for our services, like weekly fee or a monthly fee. So this can be done in many ways, like by using Google ads, Facebook ads, nowadays even TikTok ads. Okay, and also there are many other ways available for digital marketing. I use Facebook ads personally because when it comes to digital marketing, Facebook ads are super powerful and super effective in running ads on the internet. So to start a digital marketing agency, firstly we need to learn how to run ads and we need to learn how to run ads on different platforms like Google, Facebook, TikTok. I suggest you to learn and master running ads on any one platform and become expert in it instead of going with all at a time. So I recommend you to start with Facebook ads because I use it by myself, and also it is very easy for beginners to start their digital marketing journey. Well, in part 4 of this Internet Secrets video series, I'm gonna show you how exactly you can start and run Facebook ads as a beginner, and also how exactly you can drive traffic even to our own websites, which is very important to run any type of internet business. Okay, learning Facebook ads is very important because even all these 5 business models I'm sharing with you also requires Facebook ads to bring the visitors onto our websites. Okay, so after learning Facebook ads, then we should start a website for our digital marketing agency. Okay, and then we need to list our digital marketing services on the website. Okay, so after setting up our website and after listing our service on the website, then we will be driving traffic onto our website. We need to start marketing of our digital marketing agency to the right people who are interested in marketing their products or services on the internet. Okay, we can do it by running Facebook ads. Like, we can target and show our services to the exact and right people who are interested in digital marketing, because it will be of no use to show our ads to everyone or to some general people instead of showing it to the people who need it, right? So again, we can do all this by using Facebook ads. Okay, and also I'm gonna show you how to do all this in my upcoming video in the part 4 of this Internet Secret series. So the profitability of this business lies in the fees that we are going to charge to our customers for our service. Like, we can charge a weekly fee or a monthly fee depending upon us. And also price range of the fee may also start from 5,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees per month, depending on how well we can market their products and services. Okay, so this is the complete model of a digital marketing agency, and I hope you understand this, right? So now you have discovered all the 5 real legitimate business models with which you can start making money online. Okay, so if you have any doubts or any questions regarding any of these 5 models I shared, you can ask me in the comment section below, and I will be happy to answer your questions and help you in having a better understanding. Okay, so what next? Well, in this video I just shared you the information about the 5 models, but in my next video, which is part 2 of this internet secret series, I am going to show you step by step how exactly you can start these 5 business models by yourself. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can start an e-commerce website in less than 15 minutes. You are going to discover my number 1 secret to starting a website in easier and faster way. And also I'm going to show you how you can start an affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing businesses, and also digital marketing agency. Okay, so with that said, I'm closing this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the part 2 of Internet Secret series. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.